This is the Ludovico micro office. With 2 built-in drawers and a filing cabinet, there is plenty of space for organization. It even has a fully hidden chair. Open up the desk and take out your laptop from the hidden compartment, and you are ready to get things done. The cabinet is on wheels and fully mobile. You can easily move it to another room for a change of scenery or to find a quiet workspace. And it all compacts down into a very small cabinet.
This is the Cube 5-in-1 Ottoman. It's a handy space saver with 4 hidden metal pieces inside. So once you remove the top, you can access the 4 metal pieces. And then the sides of the cube actually detach. So these sides are all color-coded to each metal piece, so you'll have one that'll be a white or a brown or a green, and that way you can pair the right top to the right metal piece and build this a little quicker with a nice color-coded system. They snap on the sides as well as the tops, so they clip on and they're secure. It takes a couple minutes to build the whole system, but once you do, you have a whole 5 seats. So there we have it. We have 5 full seats now out of that 1 cube ottoman. Nice little space-saving hidden system. This is the Flexible Love Expanding Chair. As you can see, you can shape it, stretch it, bend it, and of course, you can sit on it. Weighs under 30 kilograms, and in a large model, it can support up to 16 people and over 4,000 pounds of weight. That's the equivalent of 4 grizzly bears. You can make it into a half circle, cover it like a snake to fit your space, or really stretch it out into a large bench for extra seating around your coffee table or as a dinner table.